In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to ChatGPT 4 quickly and easily. If you've been trying to access GPT-4 or the latest reasoning models and want a simple step-by-step guide, you're in the right place. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and it only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. You can type it directly into the address bar, or if you already have the official ChatGPT link saved, you can use that as well. Make sure you're on the correct website before entering any login details. Once the ChatGPT homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a login button. Click that button to start the sign-in process. This is the main entry point for accessing your ChatGPT account and getting into the GPT-4 experience. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the authentication page. Here, you can enter the email address linked to your account and then type in your password. If you remember your login details, this is the fastest way to continue. If you don't want to use a password, or if your account is connected to another provider, you can also choose one of the quick sign-in options. Depending on what's available for your account, you may see Continue with Google, Continue with Microsoft, or Continue with Apple. Simply click the option you used when you created your account, then follow the on-screen prompts to finish logging in. If you're signing in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, make sure the correct account is selected before you continue. A lot of login issues happen because people accidentally choose the wrong email address. If that happens, just go back and select the right account, then try again. Once your login is complete, ChatGPT will open your account dashboard, and from there, you can start using GPT-4 or the latest available model, depending on your plan and access level. If you don't see GPT-4 immediately, check the model selector in the chat interface and choose the available option that matches your account permissions. If you ever have trouble logging in, double-check that your internet connection is stable, your password is correct, and you're using the official ChatGPT website. You can also try refreshing the page or signing in from a different browser if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to log in to ChatGPT-4 in just a few simple steps. It's a fast process once you know where everything is, and now you can get straight into chatting, asking questions, and using the latest AI tools available to your account. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.